Morning children, let us continue that exercise 9.2. In this chapter, first we will learn how to express speed in different units. Now for example, I am explaining. For example, suppose that question is given 54 kilometer per hour. Okay, this we have to convert into meter per second. Okay, we are changing unit kilometer per hour to meter per second. So first we know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter and 1 hour equal to 3600 second. Yesterday also in the previous class I have explained you these units. Okay, now first 54 kilometer. First you will change this kilometer into meter. So 54 into 1000, because we are changing into meter, because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 54 into 1000 is 54,000 meter. And we know that 1 hour equal to 3600 second, 3600 second. Now we know that speed equal to distance by time. So what is the distance? Distance is 54,000 and time is 3600. Now cancel it. 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16. Both are even numbers, so it is divisible by 2. 2 2 are 4, 2 7 are 14 and 0. 2 9 are 18. 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 5 are 10. 3 3 are 9. 3 4 are 12, 3 5 are 15, 3 1 are 3, 3 5 are 15. So 15 meter per second. So this how to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. It was the example. Now today we will start exercise 9.2. All the questions are same like this. We have to change the units. Okay. Now in MCQ question number 1. 72 kilometer per hour is equal to 72 kilometer per hour is equal to. Option is given. A is 15, B is 15 meter per second, 18 meter per second and 19 meter per second and one more 20 meter per second. So here 72 kilometer per hour. 72 kilometer is the distance. Okay. We have to change into meter per second. So first we will change this kilometer into meter. So what we will do, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So we will multiply it by 1000. After multiplying it becomes meter. 72 into 1000 is 72,000. Okay, 72 into 1000 is 72,000. Okay, 72 kilometer we have changed into meter. And 72 kilometer per hour means a distance of 72 kilometer is covered in 1 hour. So timing is 1 hour. So 1 hour means 3600 second. Understood? Now we know that speed is equal to distance by time. So what is distance? Distance is 72,000 and time is 3600. 0 0 we will cancel it. Now 36 1 are 36, 36 2 are 72 and 0 0 are 0. So 20 meter per second, which is your correct option number D. So you will put tick mark in D. Understood? Now next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is 25 meter per second. Now here we have to just change. Meter per second is given. We have to convert into kilometer per hour. Now you know that when bigger unit to smaller unit we will multiply. But when smaller unit to bigger unit we will divide. That means if this relation we can write 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer and 1 second is equal to 1 by 3600 hour. Understood? So now what you will do here? Here 25 meter it is given. So we will 25 divided by 1000, it converts into kilometer, and 1 second, that means 1 by 3600 hour. Okay. Now speed is equal to distance by time. Here speed is 25 by 1000 by it is time. Now when this divide will convert into multiplication, this denominator will go in numerator place and this will come in. Okay. Now 0 0 we will cancel. 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, 2 and 36 will cancel by 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, 5 into 18, 18 5 is 90 kilometer per hour, which is your answer number D. So you will put tick mark in D. Understood? So we have completed MCQ, 2 questions. Now number 3 is 1500 meter per minute is equal to dash second. Okay. We have to change into meter per second. 1500 it is distance. Okay, and time is given, that is 1 minute. We have to change into second. We know that 1 minute equal to 60 second. Now 1500 by we know that the formula speed equal to distance by time, that is the distance, and time is 60. 0 0 cancel. 2 3 is 6. Sorry. Yes. 2 3 is 6. 2 7 is 14. 2 5 is 10. 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 5 is 15. 25 meter per second. It is your option number D. So you will put tick mark in D. Understood? Clear? Now next you will see, that is fill-ups. Number 2 is fill-ups. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to dash meter per second. Now in short I will tell you 1 kilometer into 1000 it becomes meter, and 1 hour, that means 3600 second. Understood? That means when we will change into meter per second, given number will multiply by 1000, it converts into meter, and we will divide it by 3600. So it convert into meter per second. Okay. Now we will cancel it 0 0. Now 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, 2 5 is 10. So 5 by 18. So in first fill-ups we will write 5 by 18 meter per second. Understood? So it is very easy. Now 2 you will try to do. It is same question. Now I am solving number 3. In number 3, 120 meter per minute we have to convert into kilometer per hour. Now here 120 we have to convert into kilometer. So what we will do, 120 when we will divide it by 1000, it convert into meter, and 1 minute equal to 60 second. So 60 we will multiply with the numerator. Okay. So 0 0 it will cancel. 2 6 is 12, 2 5 is 10, 6 6 is 36 by 5 kilometer per hour. We can convert fraction it is 36. 5 7 are 35. Okay, so 7 1/5 meter per hour. Understood? So like this we will convert this unit. We will try to do question number 2, question number 2 and 4. It will be homework. Now next question is question number 3. In 3, express the following speed in kilometer per hour. 15 meter per second. Here 15 meter per second. Okay, 15 meter is the distance and 1 second is the time. Okay, so here we have to convert these speeds in kilometer. So first we will write that distance. What is distance? 15 meter. So when we will convert into kilometer, we will divide it by 1000. Okay, and time is given 1 second. 1 second means 1/3600 hour. Now speed is equal to distance by time. What is distance? 15/1000 and 1/3600. Now when we will convert this division, we will put multiplication sign. This denominator will go up. Okay, now cancel it. 0 0. Both are even number. 2 5 are 10. 2 1 are 2. 2 8 are 16. 5 1 are 5. 5 3 are 15. 18 3 are 54 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. Understood? Next question, question number 2 is 40 meter per second. So what is distance? 40 meter. So 40/1000. It is kilometer. Okay. Now time is 1 second. But we have to convert into hour. So 1 second equal to 1/3600 hour. Now speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is 40/1000 by, it is time, 1/3600. 40/1000 into 3600 by 1. This fraction, it is the main fraction. When it will convert into multiplication sign, this denominator will go up and this numerator will come down. 0 0 we will cancel it. 4 into 36, that is 4 6 are 24. 4 2 carry. 4 3 are 12 plus 2, 14 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. You will try to do 3 and 4. 2 more questions is there. Now next question is question number 4. In question number 4, number 1 is 54 kilometer per hour. Okay, here 54 kilometer. So distance is 54 kilometer. So we will convert into meter per second. So first we will convert into meter. After multiplying by 1000, it becomes 54,000 meter. Now 1 hour is equal to how much? 3600 second. Now speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is 54,000 and time is 3600. Now we will cancel it. 0 0 0 0. 2 1 are 2. 2 8 are 16. 2 2 are 4. 2 7 are 14. 0. 2 9 are 18. 2 1 are 2. 2 3 are 6. 2 5 are 10. 3 3 are 9. 3 4 are 12. 3 5 are 15. 3 1 are 3. 3 1 are 3. 3 5 are 15. That is 15 meter per second. Okay. Now in question number 2. Now in short way I am telling how to convert this into meter per second. 36 kilometer per hour. Now always what we are doing, we are kilometer we are converting into meter. So what you will do, 36 into 1000. Now it converts into meter, and here you will write 3600. Okay. Now it is hour. Okay. Sorry, second. 3600 second. Always you will see we are multiplying by 1000 and we are dividing by 3600. In short way we can do like this. Okay. Now 36 1 is 36, 36 1 is 36. So 10 meter per second. This is the answer. It is a short process, and it is, we are explaining here kilometer to meter and hour to second. Then we are putting in the formula and cancel and getting the answer. But it also, we can do like this also. 36 into 1000 it become meter, and now after dividing 3600 it becomes second. Okay, so 10 meter per second is the answer. We have completed 2 questions. So next 2 questions you will do, 3 and 4. Understood? Now 2 more questions are there, 5 and 6. In question number 5, Vishal traveled a distance of 216 km in 4 hours. Find his speed in meter per second. Okay. Distance covered by Vishal, that distance covered is equal to 216 km. We have to write answer in meter per second. So we will change it, 216 into 1000, it becomes meter. Now time is, time taken 4 hours. 4 hours. When we will convert it, we will multiply it by 3600, it becomes second. Okay. Now speed is equal to distance by time. This is the distance, and time is 4 into 3600. Now we will cancel 0 0, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 0, 2 8 ja 16, 0, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8 and 0. Now again it is cancel by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14, 0, 2 9 ja 18, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10. Now it is not divisible by 2, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. So 15 meter per second. This is the answer. So speed 15 meter per second. Understood? Now it is question number 5 is over. Now question number 6. Tushar covered 100 meters race in 10 seconds. So distance is given here. Distance is 100 meter. And time is 10 seconds. We have to find out the speed in kilometer per hour. 100 meter into second. So when we will divide this 100 by 1000, it convert into kilometer. And here 10, here we have to convert into hour. So 1 hour equal to 10 second equal to 10 by 36, 100. It is in hour. Now speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is 100 by 1000 and it is hour. 100 by 1000. It is 10 by 3600. Na? 3600 will go up and this 10 will come down. 0 0 cancel. So last is 36 meter per second. This is the answer. Next class we will start 9.3. Thank you.